Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, it's the top of the week. In Monday, lots of trading activity in the local market, the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Big announcement coming up at the tail end of last week. The all-conquering Caribbean private equity firm, that's Proven Investments, Proven, coming out with a closure of their preliminary announcement. That's a share acquisition of Roberts Manufacturing in the Eastern Caribbean, Barbados. They've advised that Proven has completed the 50.5% interest in Roberts Manufacturing Company Limited from Massive Properties Barbados Limited. Jetcon Corporation coming up next year, trading in their shares. We've been carrying a couple of transactions or corporate announcements like this on Business Live. And it's another one here, folks, a buy by Jetcon, an advisory that a connected party has purchased just under 200,000 shares on June 9th, 2021. As we said, it's a continued trend, and the trend is your friend. We've seen now quite a big appreciation, something like 30–40% in Jetcon's share price. Main Event Entertainment coming out here with results. Now, you got to look at the bigger picture though. So the second quarter here, the Q2 revenues falling off double-digit, 40%. But look at the bigger picture. We know this from before, the last couple of quarters, the last year. Main Event has been hit by the pandemic pinch, and extremely slow recovery in Jamaica, just overall, and the slow reopening of the economy and the entertainment sector. So we're going to talk about the headline financial numbers and just the overall bigger picture. Main Event's balance sheet remains very strong, lots of cash, lots of very strong current ratio, good current assets versus current liabilities. On the headline numbers though, revenues for the Q2 2021 hit 173 million versus 286 million. So that's where the fall off is. Microfinance giant here, that's Access Financial Services. Year-end earnings declining by 19%. A little bit similar to Main Event. They had an awesome fourth quarter. This is a year-end audited numbers. So don't look at just the year end, because Access had much worse numbers a year ago, 2 years ago. So this year end, put it into perspective, an awesome fourth quarter, we're going to get into that. But so the year end down 19%, not much to worry about here. This is a March 31st, 2021 year end. Earnings per share slid to 97 cents per share versus $1.20 per share year over year. The loan book did contract overall year over year, but did better in the fourth quarter. That's the positive light we like to talk about as an analyst on Business Live. So the loan book shrunk year over year to about 4 billion Jamaican, down approximately 9%. Now the net operating income hit 1.8 billion versus 2.15 billion Jamaican. So that's still a concern. We know analysts are going to talk about that, but the entire picture is that Access seemingly is hitting now its old stride, its old growth. The fourth quarter monster numbers seemingly coming back here. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.